Hello everyone, B&R Gaming here with another walkthrough, and this time we're going to be doing a walkthrough of Ratchet and Clank. So, this game was made in, I think, 2002? So it was made quite a while ago, so I'm playing this on the PlayStation 2, so sorry for the quality of the video. But we're going to start a new game. I'm going to start all the way down here. And so let's get started with this bad boy.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
And here we are. Ooh, I don't like these settings. Options. Camera. Reversed. Oh, that's better. Alright.
Welcome to the Gadgetron.
No. Okay, so, this is Ratchet and Clank. It's amazing. I played this when I was a kid. It's amazing. I love these series. So hopefully we are going to be able to do not only just Ratchet and Clank, but hopefully we're also going to be able to do give me a sec here. Hopefully we're going to be able to do Going Commando, because I have that and we'll be able to continue on with the series. But for now we're just going to stick with Ratchet and Clank. So yep, alright, so there's crates, and they give you money. If you look at the top right corner, it says bolt. Well, it doesn't say bolts, but they're bolts, and you'll be able to buy weapons. See, like how we have weapons up here? So yeah, these bolts will get you weapons, and it's amazing the kind of weapons that you have, and the variety they have in these games is crazy. And so it's amazing. I can't even get over it, but I can't believe I'm doing this playthrough. It's amazing.
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle.
Alright, let's take these little frogs out.
Please select options from the pause menu.
Alright. So you can double jump by pressing X, pretty much video game basics. So right now we're playing as the Lombax named Ratchet, and this is pretty much the starting game that started up the whole series, and pretty much started the fandom.
That's nanotech.
Yes, it's nanotech, I know. Alright, so, I think right now we're going to see what that crash was, and I think that was Clank, the robot, the tiny little robot that you guys saw in that cutscene. So, I guess we're gonna have to try and fight through these frogs and stuff to get to Clank. Yep, right over there. Right there. And I don't like to miss any bolts, and hopefully I'm going to try and get as many gold bolts as possible through this playthrough. But I do not promise to get all of them, so... And as we go along, the enemies will get harder. Like, these enemies shoot electric and they take 2 hits, but since I double jumped, it works better. Yep, 3 in 1. So yeah, I've played this game through many times, 5 or 6 I think, so it's amazing. It's amazing because this game can be played through so many times and you won't even get bored of it. Oh man, there's a lot of people. Ow. Alright, we grab these bolts over here, and then we'll head over to see what that crash site was. Give me that nanotech. No, I didn't want to do that. Alright, let's head over and see what's happening.
Interesting. Guy! You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drake, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is B54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous. I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No. It's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.